Rocket Matter provides you with the ability to quickly add billable time from any page. Simply click on the $sign. Confirm the billing type desired. Enter a billing description, and keep in mind this description will be identified on your invoices. Enter a client matter, a billing date, confirm the bill by user, the billing rate, enter the billable units, tag the time if you would like, select Do Not Charge or Non-Billable if applicable. After filling out each field, select Save or Save and Add Another if you have additional time to enter.
For more information, contact a member of our award-winning support team today at 888-432-1529.